I'm Janice Hughes and I'm the president of Médecins du Monde, Doctors of the World, and we're celebrating our 15th anniversary tonight. Doctors of the World has a fantastic track record of effectiveness. We have over 3,000 doctors, nurses and logisticians working all over the world, and they really deliver enormous benefits. And this has been proven time and time again, where many country governments that donate to us give us more money again because they say that our work is so effective in the field.
Well, we're here on our 15th anniversary as Doctors of the World in the UK. We have our friends, our partners, all those kind people who are helping us on the journey of delivering healthcare to vulnerable people in need, both at home and abroad. It's a really exciting celebration of 15 years of that tremendous impact, looking forward to another 15 years. Well, sadly we're needed now more than ever as the government proposes further restrictions to access to healthcare here in the UK. Many people are surprised when we tell them that we have a walk-in clinic in East London, one of the poorest parts of Europe, and there our volunteers are generously spending their time meeting the medical needs of vulnerable patients. But of course we're working extensively abroad in places like Syria and Mali, so sadly right now we're needed much more than ever.
We're doing our bit in those parts of the world which are in crisis, from Africa to the Middle East, Syria for instance. We've talked mainly about Syria today, and the areas around there. And there are a lot of people, as I think most of the world I hope knows by now, who are in terrible situations. And there are a lot of people who can afford to help them, which is including myself. And that's what we're all about. How do we negotiate with people who are human and who are interested in the problems we have in the gap between the wealthy and the poor? How do we interest them to help us?
I'm sure that Doctors of the World UK is now going to go from strength to strength. It seems that there's been a real consolidation in the last few years, and it's also really heartening to see Doctors of the World UK playing a role in the UK healthcare debate and supporting the most vulnerable people here in London who don't have access to healthcare.